Hello, I'm Annie Chan. I've chosen to talk about the Islamic religion and their food practices today. Muslim worships a one and only God called Allah. This is the Arabic word of Allah, meaning God. Allah is a God that has no concrete image or form. Muslims believe it is a power beyond human understanding. They have 5 important pillars in their faith that Muslims must abide to during their whole lives. They are fasting during Ramadan, giving to the poor, declaration of belief in the one true God, 5 times daily prayer facing Mecca, their holy city, and a visit to Mecca for at least one in their lives. Muslim has to obey a lot of religious rules and laws that they are derived from their holy book, Quran. They believe this holy book was revealed from God to their greatest prophet, Muhammad. Muslims have their own calendar called Hijri. It is a calendar following the moon's movement. On the right, they are the special days Muslims celebrate or commemorate every year. Today, it is year 2021 according to the Georgian calendar we often use. However, it is only 1442 in the Hijri calendar. It is calculated considering the first year as the time Muhammad and some Muslims migrated to Medina, first gaining their religious and political autonomy. Going into our focus, Muslims' rules and laws affect their diet greatly. Muslims are only allowed to eat halal food. Halal means permitted. It includes all fruits and vegetables, legumes and grains, plus the permissible animals, for example, bovine and poultry. The animals also have to be slaughtered by Muslims with prayer in Allah's name. They are not allowed to eat haram food, meaning forbidden food, as they're considered harmful to human, physically or spiritually. These includes alcohol and animal's blood. Swine is also strictly forbidden, as it is considered unclean. Muslims' rules and laws affect their diets mostly in 2 ways. They are the Ramadan and the differentiation between halal and haram food. These are parts of their Muslims' commemorative tradition and also believed as a way to exhibit their faith by obeying the Quran. Under the halal and haram diet law, Muslims mainly eat rice, bread from wheat, the burger wheat, and the semolina flour products as their staples. As mentioned before, beef and chicken are their main sources of protein, complemented with some beans and legumes. Seafood are also allowed, although they are not as popular. They also gain their fiber sources through all kinds of fruits and vegetables. These are allowed. During Ramadan, which lasts for 1 month each year, Muslims refrain from eating or drinking between sunrise and sunset. They only eat at night during the month. Dates will become their staples during Ramadan, as it is highly nutritious, easy to digest, and high in sugar to support their nutrition and energy needs in the next day, the whole day. Children, elderly, ill, pregnant and breastfeeding women, and travelers are exempted from the fast. After talking about all these diet laws, here's an interesting fact. The Quran has indicated a law of necessity. If a Muslim has nothing to eat except for haram food, that he fears death due to starvation, he can eat haram food in the amount just enough to keep himself alive. This means the above diet laws we've discussed are not strictly unchangeable. There are still flexibilities. Here are the references. Hope you've enjoyed this presentation. Thank you.